question 4 is another integration question. It says to find the exact value of 1 over the cube root of x ln x. So this is a product, so we're going to need to use our integration by parts. And anytime we have an ln x term, that's going to be the term that we want to differentiate. Okay, so I call that one v and this one u dash. So this is the one I'm going to want to integrate. This is the one I'm going to differentiate. And this is the formula that I use. There's obviously different versions of this formula, with the u's and the v's the other way around. Some people use the u as the one that they're going to differentiate. It's the same thing. It's just the letters are just switched. So the important thing to remember is it's the ln x that you want to differentiate and the other thing that we want to integrate. So you can go straight into that. You can just work these things out as you go. If you're struggling with integration by parts, you might find it useful to write down what each thing is that we're going to need. So we're going to need a u dash and a u, a v and a v dash. And then we can literally just sub them in and it makes things much more clear. So we have that u dash is our 1 over the cube root of x. That's the same as x to the negative 3. No, it's not. It's the same as 1 over x to the negative 1/3. And v is our ln x. Oops. V dash will be 1 over x. U, the integral of this, is going to be, well, we add 1 to the power and we divide by that new power. So we're going to divide by 2/3, which is the same as timesing by 3 over 2. So now we can just start writing those things in. We've got the integral of uv, so that's going to be 3x to the 2/3 over 2 times ln x minus the integral of u, which is again 3x to the 2/3 over 2 v dash, so that's times by 1 over x. So now we need to work this bit out. So we've got an x to the 2/3 on the top. We've got an x, 1 over x over on here as well. So that's the same as an x to minus 1. So if we use our index laws, that's going to simplify to minus 1/3 again. This needs to be integrated. So this integration by parts works because this is now something that we can integrate. We've already done it once. Essentially, we've done it up here. So we're going to have our 3x to the 2/3 over 2 ln x minus, again, add 1 to, so we've got the 3 and the 2 already. Add 1 to the power is going to give us 2/3. Divide by the new power, divide by 2/3 again is going to be the same as before. We're going to times by 3 over 2. So we're going to have another 3 up here and another 2 down here. Another 2 down here. And that was between 8 and 1. So that's going to give us, well, let's just write it in a different colour, a 9 there and a 4 here. So subbing the numbers in now, 8 subbed in when it's x to the power of 2/3, that's going to be the cube root of 8 squared. Cube root of 8 is 2, 2 squared is 4. So we're going to have 3 times 4 over 2 minus, times by ln 8 minus 9 times that 4, this is 4 again, over 4, and then minus what we get when we sub 1 in. When we sub 1 into the first term, we're going to have an ln of 1, which is 0, so this first term is going to go to 0. Take away 9, and when we sub 1 into x to the power of 2/3, 1 to the power of anything is going to be 1, so we're just going to have the 9 and the 4. So if we simplify that, we are going to have this is going to cancel down to 6. So we're going to have 6 ln 8 minus 9 plus 9 over 4. Okay, 6 ln 8 minus 9 and plus 9 quarters is going to be minus 27 quarters. So there's 36 here, 36 plus 9 is minus 27, yep. But that's not our final answer because it says give your answer in the form a ln 2. So we need to change this 8 to 2 to the power of 3. And we then need to bring this 3 to the front. So that's going to be 18 ln 2 minus 27 over 4. And that's your final answer.